Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see Problems on Trains, Part 3. Today we're going to focus on train crossing a platform, tunnel or bridge or any other stationary object. When a train crosses a stationary object, they will give you the speed and we will be able to solve the time taken to cross the platform of a given length. When they ask you to find the time it takes for the train to cross the bridge, they will give you the speed of the train and the length of both the stationary object and the train. Or they will ask you to find the length of the platform, tunnel or bridge. When they ask you to find the length, they will give you the speed of the train and the length of the train, and they will ask you to find the length of the platform or any other stationary object. The time taken by the train to cross the bridge is calculated from the distance covered by the train over the given speed of the train. Now the distance covered by the train is the sum of the distance of the bridge and the length of the train as shown here. So L1 plus L2 is the total distance. The reason for adding the length of the train is because the entire train needs to cross the bridge. So we add the bridge's length and the train's length as a total distance. So the total distance is L1 plus L2. And time is L1 plus L2 divided by speed. Let's see few problems for easy understanding. Problem 1. Rio Grande Express train with a length of 60 meters runs at a speed of 36 km per hour. What will be the time taken to cross a platform of 120 meters long? First, list the given data. The length of the train is considered as L1, which is 60 meters. And the length of the platform, which is considered as L2, is 120 meters. And the speed of the train is 36 km per hour. They are asking the time. The question is, what will be the time taken to cross a platform of 120 meters long? So we do L1 plus L2 to find the total distance. So 60 meters plus 120 meters, which is 180 meters. So the distance covered by the train passing the platform is 180 meters. The speed of the train is in kilometer per hour and the distance is in meters. So we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So we do 36 into 5 by 18. We multiply by 5 by 18 because we are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 2 18s fit in 36. So 2 into 5 is 10. So the speed of the train is 10 meters per second. We found the distance the train needs to cover is 180 meters. And the speed of the train is 10 meters per second. And now to find the time is distance divided by speed. So the distance covered by the train passing the platform is 180 meters divided by the speed, and the speed is 10 meters per second. So 180 divided by 10, which is 18. So it will take 18 seconds for the train to cross the platform. Let's see problem number 2. A 60-meter long train is running at a speed of 72 km per hour. If it takes 30 seconds to cross the bridge, find the length of the bridge. First, list the given data. The length of the train is considered as L1, which is 60 meters, and the speed of the train is 72 km per hour. And the time taken to cross the bridge for the train is 30 seconds. And they're asking, what's the length of the bridge? The question is, if it takes 30 seconds to cross the bridge, find the length of the bridge. So we have to find the length of the bridge. Now, the length of the train is in meters, and the speed of the train is in kilometer per hour. So we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. When we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply 5 by 18. So we do 72 into 5 by 18. 4 18s are 72, and 4 into 5 is 20. So the speed of the train is 20 meter per second. Now, distance is speed into time. So we do, the speed is 20 meter per second, and the time it takes for the train to cross the bridge is 30 seconds. So we do 20 into 30, which is 600 meters. So we already found the distance, which is 600 meters. Now, to cross the bridge, the train covers a distance that is equal to the length of the train plus the length of the bridge. So 600 meters is the distance covered by the train, and 60 meters is the length of the train plus the length of the bridge. Now, to find the length of the bridge, which is equal to 600 meter minus 60 meter, which is 540 meters. So, the length of the bridge is 540 meters. Let's try one more problem. A train 150 meters long crosses a bridge which is 130 meters long in 70 seconds. What is the speed of the train? First, the length of the train, which is L1, is 150 meters. And the length of the bridge, which is L2, is 130 meters. The distance covered by the train to cross the bridge is L1 plus L2. So 150 meters plus 130 meters, which is 280 meters. Now, the time taken by the train to cross the bridge is 70 seconds. And speed is distance divided by time. The distance over here is 280 meters divided by the time. So the time is 70 seconds. So 280 divided by 70 is 4. So the speed of the train is 4 meters per second. Thanks for watching.